Welcome to this space. Here I share memories, reflections, and stories, little vignettes that drift like islands across an inner ocean. Each episode is a quiet journey, a moment to pause, to listen, to feel. The visuals are simple, the words flow at their own pace, the mood is calm, like waves meeting the shore. Sometimes a reflection from the Bhagavad Gita weaves through, reminding us of what is timeless. This channel is not about hurry or noise. It is a place for the starry eyed, the wanderer, the seeker of stillness. If this speaks to you, I invite you to walk with me, to listen, to drift, to remember. The journey begins here. The Warbler's Song. Every dawn a warbler comes to warble God knows what, and joy flies in and pain flies out, in wonder I am caught. His chirpy flits upon the wall are signals sent abroad, that all is well with him and his, that we may rest assured. His monody has signal worth far greater than a man's, whose monstrous greed outstrips his need, who little understands. I've known of people troubled by the I need more disease. The more man gets, the more he wants, and never seems at ease. The bird fulfills his destiny by singing to the morn, but man creates his destiny by either praise or scorn of life, creation, and the power that manifests the whole. This truth, if grasped by humankind, would halt our frenzied selves from building Babel's tower and spinning out of control. Summer in India. When the skies are overcast and April winds are breezing past, and the moth and butterfly boldly flit and flutter by, the crow's a busy black streak as he carries bits of flotsam in his busy black beak. Methinks, if all should go well, you cannot miss the cowell's shrill and strident coo-hooking, that mangoes are a blossom. Why is the crow carrying flotsam? Summer's here. It's hot. So what? There's to be a midday feasting, a ripened langras worth a beasting. Every knowing urchin knows that ever climbed to get at those. The miners' endless polemics are stilled for weighty causes. The mouse hops out to learn, no doubt, wherefore and why the pauses. Rhymes of melon the miners fell on. Bulbul's trill, a yellow wasp dances on my window sill. The awesome flaming June and Lou, it whistles past the homely hut, past the placid cowshed too. It chafes, it sears, and scorches butt. Can it stop the celebration? Fruit and feathers, confabulation? What a mouthful! So are plums, mulberries, and luscious peaches, or the fleshy dripping lychees, all consumed in feathery tums. In the jasmine hedge, the toad, it complains, I got a cold, wish I could, but cannot sing. While the lowly worm forgotten gaily frolics on its twig.